Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy again with a new video, and today I'm gonna do another unboxing for my Boxycharm. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and if you're new, welcome. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. Honestly, I just love every single box that I have gotten. It's based on makeup and skincare, and I just love everything that I get. And you also get to try new brands, and that's what I really like. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, and this is what the box comes, and it comes with a little card that it tells you the theme and the products that you got. It also tells you the prices, and yeah. So this month's theme is Peace, Love, and Boxy. This is this month's theme. Okay, so the first item is the Summer Days 3-piece brush set, which looks like this. The price for these brushes is $28. The Luxie 512 is a small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones. The Luxie 245 is a small shader brush that is perfect to pat on shadow and glitter. The Luxie 209 is a large shader brush to pat and blend out any eye look. Next is this holographic lip gloss, which looks like this. The price for this lip gloss is $21. This holographic lip gloss works well alone and on top of your favorite lippy, giving it an argan oil infused shine. Next is this Diamond Glow powder. The price for this is $27, and it says this is an all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight. It could be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. Next is this eye pencil, and the price for this is $14. And lastly is this Pure palette. And this palette retails for $36. Is the Festival palette. It comes with 12 shadows. The palette also comes with this primer. So the box is $21, but if you add everything in the box, it's $126. So you guys, this is the end of the video. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe.